Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Nate from Montana Wake. We had a very successful weekend at our first ever car and boat show fundraiser for the Honaker family. We were able to raise $10,406 in just a week. Throwing this 3-day event was huge. It opened up a lot of opportunities for small businesses to get out there and get in front of people, showcase some of their products, and come together as a community to really support a local family. We had a great time. It was a great turnout, and we hope we can just level it up every single time we do this. So thank you so much for coming out. We hope to see you again. Check out what we had going on this weekend. Let us know what we can do better.
So we're getting everything ready for the car show right now. We had a handful of boats in here that we had to get out because a lot of them sold and went to storage and stuff. But yeah, I mean, this party's gonna go off. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Yeah, let's go check out this Z06.
Check out my boy Rick's setup. Rick Simmons owns ProTech Diesel here in Billings. He also owns R&R Docks out of Billings. He brought in these 2 custom Mustangs that he built from the ground up. Every nut and bolt has been replaced on these. Even the underside of these cars is painted. Can't wait to show you. This is going to be a huge feature of our car show this weekend, and we're so happy to have him here. So thank you, Rick.
You know what you're doing, JJ?
Nope.